Old video? Why? Why are you beginning with the old video? Yeah, because I did a boo-boo. I did a boo-boo. I'm an idiot. 0.61 times 0.61 is 0.37. Of course, not 37.21. Why did I get that result? Is 0.37. So 3721 would be. So 0.3721 times 10.5 is clearly 3.90. So it's 3.907 something. So it's 3.907 something. Is not, yeah, let me just write it. It's 3.907 watts. Okay, yeah, I made a boo-boo. So I had to, yeah, this video is just to say, yeah, I made a boo-boo. The power is actually 3.907 watts. Yeah, I made a boo-boo. It happens. Also to the best. Yeah. No, I'm not the best. I'm definitely not the best. Not at circuits. At circuits, honestly, I suck at circuits. And I make silly mistakes like this one, which is not a mistake. I mean, it's like just I just typed something wrong in the calculator. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, yeah, it's 3.907. Just a digit difference, well, 2 digit difference actually. But anyway, yeah. So the power is 3.907. Oh, by the way, since I'm here and I'm back here to this problem, I should be thinking about, I should really be telling you one thing. If you take a close look at this configuration here, with the generator and a resistance, this resistance is actually as if it was an internal resistance. So we haven't been talking about generator much, other than saying that there are current generator, a voltage generator. But you got to say that there are real and ideal generators. So an ideal generator is actually a generator which just, aggregates power and gives you power, just like that. And it doesn't have any internal resistance. While a real generator actually is a generator with an internal resistance. So now each and every real generator can actually be expressed as an ideal generator plus an internal resistance. And in this case, we can say that this one is an ideal generator and this one is an internal resistance. So this one will be like having a real generator. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't change anything in terms of the problem. I mean, the problem, we solved the problem is fine, but it will just, I was here anyway, so okay. So that's pretty much it for real this time. So hopefully all my other calculations are correct, and I didn't make any mistakes. So yeah, that's pretty much it this time. Cheers and bye.